guys, today I want to leave my honest review for this slicer and shredder that I received in the mail. I'm excited to show you guys what it looks like up close and tell you everything that you guys need to know about it, and also show you how I am going to use them. Here's everything that comes in the package. It comes with a cleaning brush, the main feeding tube. It comes with a slicing blade, a coarse shredding blade, and a finer shredding blade as well. To start, all you need to do is choose the attachment blade of your choice and then put it inside the feeding tube. And once you hear this click, that means the blade is snapped perfectly into place and it's ready to use. To attach it, all you need to do is just unscrew this knob here. I'm going to remove this piece right here. And then all you need to do is add that back in and screw it back on. It also has this, and we're going to be using this to push down our veggies. So I pre-chopped some carrots here into like bigger rough pieces, and now we're just going to feed it through the tube. I'm going to turn my mixer on. As you can see, it starts spinning inside here. Wow. Okay guys, I am so impressed with how this machine works. It's amazing how much time I'm saving just by using this mixer attachment instead of grating it by hand. I love how evenly it chopped everything up in such a short amount of time. Now I got some russet potatoes and we'll do the same to them as well. Hash browns are now going to be easier to make than ever before. That took me about 30 seconds to grate 2 or 3 potatoes. I'm now using the slicer blade to cut up cucumbers. I like that even after using it was very easy to clean. All I did was run it under warm water with soap and it was as good as new. Look at how beautiful and even these cucumber slices came out. Perfect for a garden salad. So if you guys are looking to cut your time in the kitchen in half, this tool is amazing. These cucumbers took me about 30 seconds to grate, and then these carrots took another like minute, and I grated like 4 carrots in under a minute. I was so shocked. I would highly recommend this tool. It's very durable, it's very powerful, the blades are super strong, they do the work, and I like that it's very minimal effort for storing. It's very small, doesn't take up a lot of room, so I would highly recommend this chopper if you guys are on the lookout for one. This one is a great choice.